Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the Fleuss Automatic Pearl Diver Limited Edition. Witness the stunning play of light and luster across mother-of-pearl dials. Each dial is absolutely one of a kind and the result of hours of work, care, and precision to carve, slice, and etch from pearl oysters. As a result, each watch is a limited edition of only 450 pieces, to be coveted, collected, and respected for the time taken to manufacture each one. Each watch in the range has been carefully developed to enhance the original and to comfortably straddle the worlds of performance and, yes, sophisticated luxury. We use only the highest quality mother of pearl, reserved for Swiss brands manufacturing at the very highest levels, befitting our desire to create a whole new range of limited but accessible dive watches with one-of-a-kind uniqueness to them. Paying tribute to renowned early dive watches of the 1950s, the Fleuss's 43mm stainless steel case is sleekly profiled and completed by a sapphire lens and glass-topped luminous bezel. Carefully balanced and designed, the iconic Fleuss has received a luxurious update with each timepiece featuring a handcrafted, iridescent and lustrous mother-of-pearl dial. Ensuring fuss-free, robustly reliable timekeeping, each Fleuss is powered by the dependable NH35 Seiko automatic movement. A precisely crafted, solid stainless steel H-link bracelet hugs the wrist, offering durability, comfort, and style for everyday wear. This limited edition comes in the following colorways: White Pearl, Midnight Pearl, Marine Pearl. We hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, smash the like button and do leave us a comment on your favorite Spinnaker timepieces. Also, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook where we have daily uploads and updates from the Spinnaker family. Thanks and take care.